What's going on, guys? Welcome yet to another video. Today I'm going to be installing this DRLs, LED DRLs from IJDM Toy. Link will be in the description below if you're interested in purchasing it for your F30 BMW. Nonetheless, let's get started. It's going to be a hot one because it's 85 degrees out there, and it's going to be hot. So let's go ahead and get this video done with, and let me show you how to install some LED DRLs on your F30 BMW. That right there is the bulb we're going to be switching out. See, it's yellow on both sides. You're going to come down here and open up this cover. Set the cover aside and locate the light. It'll be the bottom one right there, not this one, the one below. So let's go ahead and pull that bulb out. There it is. So you can see holes empty, so it's a quick installation. Well, it's simple to remove, unlike the low beam lights. You just pull it out, set it on the side so it doesn't fall down in there. Just pop the other light in place, and let's test it out before we put it back in the car. Pretty bright, unlike the halogen bulb we have. So now let's get the other side. For some reason, it looks like they're flickering in the camera, but they're really not. So I'm not sure why the camera is doing that. Because you know, I had the problem with the low beams where they would flicker, but this ones aren't flickering. It just apparently looks like that on the camera. I don't know why. Let me get closer. Yeah, I don't know why it looks like they're flickering, but they're actually not. Look at a distance. See, there it is. They're still, that's how they're supposed to be. That's how they actually look. But if you move up, it looks like they're flickering. But there it is, guys. So there it is, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for supporting the channel. That is how the car looks now with the LED DRLs. So yeah, I'm starting to like the look of the car even more as we do things to it every week. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.